Poison dart frogs. The vivid killers of the rainforest. Hidden beneath the vast emerald canopies of the Central and South American rainforests lies a world teeming with life and mystery. It is here that we encounter one of the most extraordinary creatures of the jungle, the poison dart frog. Known for its dazzling colors and lethal skin, this tiny amphibian holds both beauty and danger within its small, delicate frame. In this documentary, we will take you on a journey to uncover the secrets of these miniature marvels. We'll explore their origins, biology, toxicity, and relationship with indigenous tribes. But this is not just a story of poison. It is a tale of survival, adaptation, and the fragile balance of the rainforest ecosystem. Welcome back to our channel, The Stuffed Capsicum, where we serve up an enticing mix of educational and entertaining content. To understand the modern poison dart frog, we must go back in time. Millions of years ago, amphibians were among the first vertebrates to venture onto land. But as the world evolved, so too did these early creatures, adapting to the ever-changing environment. The family Dendrobatidae, which includes today's poison dart frogs, made their home in the warm, humid rainforests of Central and South America. These early ancestors were not toxic, nor were they colorful. So, what drove the transformation into the vibrantly hued and poisonous creatures we know today? The story of the poison dart frog is one of survival. Over millennia, these frogs faced countless predators in a dense, competitive environment. In response, they evolved to stand out rather than blend in. Their striking colors serve as a warning, a signal that they are not to be eaten. But their evolution didn't stop there. These frogs developed potent toxins, making their skin deadly to the touch for many animals. The combination of vivid colors and dangerous toxins became their ultimate survival strategy, ensuring their place in the complex web of rainforest life. Poison dart frogs evolved through a process known as aposematism, where bright colors signal danger to potential predators. Interestingly, their toxicity evolved in tandem with these colorations, creating a balance between visual deterrence and chemical defense. There are over 170 species of poison dart frogs, each with its own unique evolutionary journey. From the stunning azure dart frog, Dendrobates tinctorius, to the deadly golden poison frog, Philobates terribilis, each species has carved out its niche in this lush and vibrant ecosystem. The poison dart frog's greatest defense lies in its skin. Unlike venomous creatures like snakes, which inject their toxins, poison dart frogs secrete toxins through their skin. But how do these tiny amphibians produce some of the most powerful natural toxins on Earth? The answer lies in their diet. Poison dart frogs consume ants, termites, and other small insects rich in alkaloid toxins. These alkaloids are absorbed and stored in the frog's skin, transforming them into living chemical weapons. The process is both complex and highly efficient. The frogs are immune to these toxins themselves, but for any animal that tries to eat them, the consequences can be deadly. Not all poison dart frogs are equally dangerous. Some, like the blue poison dart frog, are only mildly toxic to humans. Others, like the golden poison frog, possess enough toxin to kill up to 20,000 mice or 10 adult humans. Their toxicity varies depending on their diet and environment. Indigenous tribes in the Amazon have long understood the power of these frogs. For centuries, they have used the poison to tip their hunting darts, allowing them to bring down animals with a single shot. This practice is where these frogs get their famous name, the poison dart frog. But contrary to popular belief, not all species are used for this purpose. Indigenous tribes know which frogs are safe to handle and which ones are not. They never harm the frog, but extract the poison from their skin carefully. The frog is sacred to the Amazonian tribes, a gift from the forest. The potency of these toxins is such that even years after application, a dart tipped with frog poison remains lethal. Yet while their toxins have given these frogs a deadly reputation, they also hold great potential in medicine. The same chemical compounds that make poison dart frogs so deadly have also caught the attention of medical researchers. In their search for new drugs, scientists have discovered that these alkaloids may have applications far beyond the rainforest. Toxin, one of the most powerful toxins found in the animal kingdom, works by preventing nerve cells from sending signals to muscles. While this is deadly in large amounts, scientists believe that small, controlled doses could be used to develop new painkillers or treatments for neurological disorders. The toxins in poison dart frogs have unique properties that make them highly promising in medicine. We're particularly interested in their potential as non-addictive painkillers, which could provide alternatives to opioids. However, isolating and synthesizing these compounds for safe use is a complex process. Research is still in its early stages, but the potential benefits are vast. The rainforest may hold the key to curing some of the world's most pressing medical challenges. But to unlock these secrets, we must first protect the frogs and the ecosystems they depend on. Poison dart frogs are not just survivors in a harsh environment. They are essential components of the rainforest ecosystem. These frogs play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of life in these complex ecosystems. As insectivores, they help control the populations of ants, termites, and other small insects. This in turn affects the overall health of the forest, preventing any one species from becoming too dominant. These small amphibians are, in essence, the rainforest's natural pest control agents. In many ways, the presence of poison dart frogs is a sign of a healthy rainforest. Their survival is tied to the availability of clean water, rich biodiversity, and intact ecosystems. But as we encroach on their habitats, we put not only the frogs at risk, but the entire ecosystem they support. The rainforest is an interconnected web of life, and the loss of one species, particularly keystone species like poison dart frogs, can have a ripple effect throughout the ecosystem. Every tree, insect, and animal plays a role in this balance. Despite their adaptations for survival, poison dart frogs face a new threat, one they cannot evolve to escape: human activity. Deforestation, pollution, climate change, and the illegal pet trade are pushing these vibrant creatures toward the edge of extinction. Rainforests are disappearing at an alarming rate, and with them, the delicate habitats of countless species, including poison dart frogs. These amphibians are particularly vulnerable to changes in their environment. Pollution in water sources, deforestation, and temperature shifts due to climate change can all have catastrophic effects. Rainforest ecosystems are incredibly sensitive. Even small disruptions can lead to a cascade of extinctions. The loss of poison dart frogs would not only mean the disappearance of a fascinating species, but also the collapse of local insect populations, leading to broader ecological consequences. Fortunately, there are efforts underway to save these creatures. Conservationists are working to protect remaining rainforest habitats, restore damaged ecosystems, and breed frogs in captivity for eventual reintroduction into the wild. Across the world, conservationists are fighting to save poison dart frogs from extinction. Breeding programs, like the one seen here, are helping to preserve the genetic diversity of these frogs, ensuring that even if their natural habitats are lost, the species can survive. Reintroducing frogs to the wild is no easy task. We must first ensure that the habitats they return to are free from the dangers that drove them to the brink of extinction in the first place. But with time and effort, we can help rebuild these ecosystems. Efforts to restore rainforests are also underway. By replanting trees and protecting water sources, we can slowly restore the balance of these fragile ecosystems. But it will take global cooperation to ensure that the rainforests and the species that call them home are preserved for future generations. The future of poison dart frogs, like so many species, hangs in the balance. They are a testament to nature's incredible adaptability and resilience. But even they may not survive the relentless pressures of human activity. The choices we make today will determine whether these vibrant creatures continue to thrive in the wild or become yet another memory of the past. But there is hope. Through education, conservation, and a renewed commitment to protecting our planet's most vital ecosystems, we can ensure that the poison dart frog remains a vibrant symbol of the rainforest's splendor and diversity. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the vibrant and dangerous world of the poison dart frog. Together, we can protect these fascinating creatures and the ecosystems they depend on. And that brings us to the end of another captivating journey with the stuffed capsicum. Thank you so much for joining us today and being a part of our global community of knowledge seekers. Remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our exciting videos filled with fascinating facts, surprising discoveries, and a touch of AI magic. Stay stuffed with knowledge by exploring our diverse playlists, and be sure to share your favorite videos with friends and family. We appreciate your support and can't wait to continue serving up a delectable mix of educational and entertaining content. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep those stuffed capsicums of wonder rolling.